the time for we to prepare real Nigeria original ogbono soup from Edo State. This is how we shake our oil after making it. You shake and shake and shake and shake and shake. Hey yeah guys, what's good babies? Then I put some oil in the pot because I want to use it to make my ogbono. This is my ogbono. Okay. I put it inside. Then I lower my heat down, the heat of my pot. This is my grounded pepper because ogbono has already been ground with crayfish. I put my grounded pepper inside. I will start mixing. Mixing for my ogbono to get met. Hey yeah baby, what's good baby? The time for me to put my boiled water inside so that my ogbono can start cooking gradually. Okay, another water. I have to open everything. This ogbono has to be ogbonoristic. Ogbonolistic. How did you see the ogbono? The ogbono is ogbonistic. Alright. The time for we to put our dry fish. I've already washed it very, very well. Then put some water. Then the part where we put our fresh fish, guys. Oh God. Then let me put some onions. Let's put our cooked meat. Pomo, abodi, echaki, ring, everything, all the medas inside. Let them cook a little bit, then it's ready. That is how we roll it. In Edo land, in Africa, in Nigeria. This is how we do it in our country. Our soup is ready. This is the finished part and the definition of real ogbono. Ogbono without no okra, without no leaf, nothing. It's only fish, dry fish, fresh fish, meat. All the assorted meat is inside. This is it. Come and eat, guys. Come and eat.